हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। क्या हाल चाल है गाइस? मैं आई जस्ट फिनिश माय ट्रांजैक्शन एट माय बैंक एमिरेट्स इस्लामिक। नाउ आई एम फ्री। नाउ आई जस्ट विजिट द मॉल। यू विल सी behind me there is some sale area, some shop. This is a very famous mall in Dubai and you will find out many things here. And this is the one, this is a shopping mall where I am. You see this one, and this is the shopping mall. There's one very good restaurant, Turkish restaurant near to me. You will see this one, Turkish village. If you see this one, it's a very good taste, delicious, and lot of things are there. You will see lot of things. You see, if you see this one, mashallah, mashallah, very nice, alhamdulillah. UAE Dubai is awesome. In UAE Dubai is the awesome city. You will see, very pretty, very clean, calm, and very free city, mashallah. Okay guys, take care. Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.